guys, it's your girl Sparks SAX, and I am doing a hair update video on the ISHOW hair that I have co-washed, bleached, and dyed, honey. Okay, I've bleached this hair to blonde, then not really blonde, but I lightened the hair color so it could get this burgundy color when I put the hair dye. Okay, the con is like when it was like just finished washed and I let it air dry, and I was like using my brush to like just brush it out and stuff like that. It wasn't itchy, but it was like shedding more than usual. Like it never used to shed. You saw like one strand, but it started shedding. But I was being nervous. I was like panicking, like there's something wrong. Like why is the hair like falling like this? But then after a while, after the hair was fully set in water, and I brushed through it and said how I wanted, make sure the closure was flattened down and everything, it went back to normal. So yeah, I just didn't like the shedding when it just finished air dry. So that's my con. Let me see the scent. The ends are a little bit thinner, but it's okay. It's not thin to a point where I have to be like cut it to make it look full. Like no, it's okay. But yeah, other than that, it's not shedding like that like before when it just finished air drying and I washing and stuff. So yeah, let's talk about the pros. It is soft. Okay, it is super soft, no itching. Okay, I dyed this hair burgundy over the top and make the inside stay dark because I didn't want to be too loud, you know, and I wanted something different. Like I really don't see girls doing this, dyeing the inside black and leaving the outside burgundy. Like I normally see it like before, but I don't see it as much as I used to. So I cannot stop playing in this hair. Like, why does this always happen? And oh my god, do you see this bounce? Okay, oh, that went into my eyes. But do y'all see this bounce? Like it's flip it and it just bounced right back. Like, okay, I so love this hair. Like, I so love this hair. I really do. Let me see. This is a 20. The tallest is a 20, and this is where it reached me right on my butt. Okay, closure. It is beautiful. It's not shedding. It is still the same body length that it was. Like, I just love it. I really do love this hair. Nobody can tell me otherwise. This hair is sure popping. This hair is popping to the fullest. I might dye this hair like a number 1B. But yeah, I only did this because they were saying the hair color that I had before wasn't suiting me at all. So I was like, let me try something different. He said something dark. I was going to choose red or green, but they were both too dark, so I chose burgundy, which is a nice color. I really do love it. But yeah, guys, I would say go buy this hair. Me personally, I would buy this hair, okay? Hope you guys get the same experience. I've seen good and bad reviews. Like, as I said before, it sheds a little bit too much when I finish washing the hair, but it stopped after a while, you know. This hair is so soft. Like, please note, like, under here is like black, so it's just the top is burgundy. So yeah, for $77.03, honey, yes. 3 buttons on the closure, yes. Is this my last review? Maybe. But yeah, I just think this hair is great. Like most hair you dye, honey, those hair will get dry or itch to start dropping out. This hair, none of that, okay? None of that. This is a real good hair, okay? Once again, I say in my next video, this hair is like some hair that you buy for like 400, 300, like, honey. This hair is full of a body. Look, do y'all see that body? Body over. This is what I love. Hair with body. Okay? Oh baby, you can talk like that. Make a go there to see why. Cause anyway. Oh, I want someone, you know my hips don't lie. Oh, y'all see my nails? My anniversary. Yeah, I can't see it. But yeah, my 1 year anniversary was yesterday, March the 10th.